This is a repair I've done. I had to splice your cables, strip the wires back, buy this connector, screw the cut end there into the neutral and the live, and the cut end there into neutral and live, screw them together. That's waterproof, so you're alright with that. And it fits nice and snug in the end of these, so it's not loose or anything. And the actual length of this, when it's fully contracted, it's just about 60 millimeters in length, and in width just over 20. The actual cable, it's Bosch Rotak lawnmower, and that's 6. Just to show that it works, have a listen. So your lawnmower's now back working.